In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Samsung smartphone. First, let's begin with turning on the phone. To do this, press and hold the side button located on the right side of your device. You will feel a slight vibration, and after a few moments, the Samsung logo will appear on the screen. This indicates that the phone is starting up. It's important to wait for the phone to fully boot up before proceeding. Once the home screen appears, you know your device is ready for use. This initial step is crucial because it prepares your phone for all the tasks ahead. Next, let's move on to using the touchscreen. The touchscreen is your primary interface for navigating the phone. To open an app, simply tap its icon with your finger. You will see the app launch, bringing you to its main screen. To move between different screens, swipe your finger left or right. This action allows you to access various home screens and widgets. Understanding how to use the touchscreen effectively is vital, as it makes your interaction with the device smooth and intuitive. Now, let's explore the quick settings. To access this feature, swipe down from the top of the screen using your finger. This reveals icons for various settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. You can tap any of these icons to enable or disable them quickly. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to adjust essential settings without digging through menus. After you make your selections, take a moment to notice how easily you can manage your device's connectivity. Next up is making a call. Start by opening the phone app, which is usually represented by a green icon. Inside the app, you can either enter a phone number using the keypad or select a contact from your list. Once you have your number ready, tap the call button to initiate the call. This straightforward process is essential for staying connected with others, ensuring you can reach anyone you need in just a few taps. After that, let's learn how to send a text message. Open the Messages app, which is often displayed as a speech bubble icon. Tap on New Message to begin composing your message. You can select a contact from your list or manually enter a phone number. Once you've written your message, tap Send. This method of communication is quick and efficient, making it a staple of modern interaction. You'll notice the message appears in your conversation list, confirming it has been sent. Now let's take a photo. Open the Camera app by tapping its icon, usually found on your home screen. Once the camera interface appears, point the camera at your subject. Take a moment to frame your shot, ensuring everything you want to capture is visible. When you are ready, tap the shutter button to take the photo. This feature allows you to capture memories instantly, and you'll see a preview of your photo shortly after. Next, we will browse the internet. Open either Samsung Internet or Chrome, whichever you prefer. In the search bar, enter a website address or a search term that interests you. After typing, tap Search or go to load the page. This step connects you to a vast world of information and entertainment, making your smartphone an invaluable tool for exploration and learning. Finally, let's install an app. Open the Google Play Store, which is where you can find a variety of apps for your smartphone. Use the search feature to find the app you want. Once you locate it, tap Install to begin the download. Wait for the installation to finish, and you'll see the app appear on your home screen. Installing apps enhances your phone's functionality, allowing you to customize it to suit your preferences and needs. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your Samsung smartphone. Enjoy your new device.